that we'll farm this evening. I'm going to close up the tunnels while Tess and Greg are out of town. I'm the farmhand this weekend while they're away. Me and the intern worked the market this morning and did pretty good, I would say. So just gotta take these out and unroll the sides. I can't get in there for some reason. Yeah, so things are growing there. Running right across the back here, going into the bushes. Tomatoes are growing. Popping up soon. Carrots have been picked a lot, and peas, carrots and peas. Tomatoes are coming. Got a few fields over here. Can't really see them. But yeah. A strawberry patch. Strawberries, there's not very many this year. And that's it. Bye-bye.